thanks because there's no ANC.
How's that?
Listen, let me interpret this.
Yeah.
This is EFF,
Yeah.
it's red. This is MK, green. This is NFP. In other words, NFP is orange.
Yeah.
In other words, okay, I'm sorry. In other words, when I should you support the NFP, because most of the colors we are here, which are here, it's orange. The Kota combo, it's orange. It's almost orange. So now I'm saying, I didn't Georgia.
Now I'm 6 months.
I didn't Georgia. Go you mask. Go.
Kodwa umzekeze wayefika laqala NFP. Sisiqala okay mina ngifuna ucheck green namhlanje ngicela uqala ngale luhlaza ngicela
MK.
ngicela ukubonga
Tiko. MK. Always MK. I will die. Ngumkhonto wesizwe. Sisho njalo sithi forward. Umkhonto wesizwe forward. And thank you so much kubantu izolo abavotile kwi by-election besinayo abane 110. We've won swimming.
Congratulations. Ngibonile ku social media.
Thank you.
Athi ngikwazi akhondo.
Injalo nje ngiyeka siyapota siyosapota and sizowina. Thank you so much. We need a point.
Bathi ngibone ngithathe uwonto from UTA.
Yes, sithathile icishe yasihlula but bebengeke balungu. Honestly bebengeke balungu. Isizothatha ikhandi. I-demonstration esiyenzayo nje ama-1 siyathatha encane encane. Listen.
Nomhlambe sayiqala lapho ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe lokho kwenzakele ngecala lokuthi bathi udlongilule about 2-3 weeks back was politically motivated.
Everyone can see, especially if you're a politician, you will probably see ukuthi into emnandi ukuthi kunamagama esiswatholile abantu behind all this. But that won't stop me from supporting MK. MK is already. I'm not looking for any position. I'm not looking for nothing. In fact, I will continue putting my money to MK. So if I need to voice out, I need to MK, no matter what. But still shilo sithi forward ever, backwards never. Side. Njengamanje siyakwaza siyaphambili. Asihleli. No matter bangathi rape, but matter, but stealing, whatever it is, but siyaphambili manje.
But kanti ama-politician akushayana ngezomjolo ngabantu besifazane kakhulu.
That is the first. More politician, you must know, whoever is watching right now, more politician, the first thing about Shanghai. The second thing about Shanghai is money laundering. The third one, basically money, but you know, calling money and Chile, easy to pay politicians, so Snanda with Batin but I'm saying for whatever, I'm not and footing Yashomina footing, whoever Shire mean and I'm calling them. Meaning to my crutches. No, I'm coming to now. Just imagine Chosha occasions of Sham Data Band. You show if you are a champion. But I'm so sad because you don't give me minutes transport. You don't give me a record band. I even think and with mass and going to Zekoni. I can tell the truth shall set you free. Hence one is the last interview. I want to know. Accept Tashala. I don't believe in criminals. Who would let let me just tell the truth. Now build the story. And young kid like community young kid, you will be fine. You will go talk it. Young kid. So that's it.
Yini ongasho uthi uyifundile ngalento ekwenzakalela?
Okay, in terms of shooting ngifundele number 1. If ever you are interested in any politics, you must be ready for any political war. Number 2, into ngifundile noma engitrauma like engilethele trauma inansi. People must take this serious. There are people out there abarephiwe ngempela okweqiniso. So into engiyibuza yona ukuthi yazi umuntu makuthiwa urephiwe sengivele ngithi no man maybe unamanga uyadlala because I know the truth of this. I hope maybe wonke umuntu uyabona ukuthi lento uma unokuyilandela ulalela mina ulalela umuntu lo okhulumayo omunye. But today let's not talk about people's names. baleke emagameni abantu namhlanje. Let's not give them free airtime. So mawubuka lo munye the opposite party ubuka mina no, so thola ukuthi kunama-stories amaningi awakhiwayo. So lento, especially this message, it's going straight to the state. Remember, I've opened a case first ye-criminal injury yokudicilela phansi isithunzi sami. Mangivula leyo case, this message is going straight to the minister, and I did abhalela uminister incwadi eyokuthi I'm complaining as a South African. Now I've asked the state to bring whatever resources that you have to come and investigate me. Investigate to see whatever that I'm talking about, it does make sense to me. And let them yenzela ukuthi uma bethola ukuthi kunecase abango, uma bethola ukuthi iyamanga, someone must be accountable. You know, now sephuma in those who ephumayo ithi in my house bekunomzimba, a dead body. There was a dead body. Exactly. That is a serious case of which the government ukuba usenzo mthungu kufanele asheshe angenelele. Abonise ukuthi umthetho eSouth Africa udala abantu bangazenzeli umathanda, and if it's a political war akumelanga bayithathe this for granted. You know, you accusing someone ukuthi unomzimba womuntu, and bear in mind ukuthi ngempela ngokuyiqiniso ebezothi mayovula icase ayimention lona into endlini. So hence saying ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu, but i-message engiyithumela kwi-state South Africa samaphoyisa ukuthi someone must be arrested here, because kunabantu abareyiphe ngempela abangadlali abangeke basathatha serious because bebone lento ukuthi umdlali kamele ithi rape, it's a serious thing, asingayithathi ngento yokudlala. And lento amadoda maybe one day they need to be given a platform, maybe ngisho nasemajele phandle ngikiwe kuyokuthi lo kuthiwa wadlwengula kanjani. It's starting to give me something manje ukuthi yazi abanye abantu baboshiwe boboshela ukuthi umfana nentombazane bayicabanele kwasokuthiwa yabhiliva leyo nto kumele investigate, because njengamanje uyabona ukuthi ishintshile manje. Hayi kunabantu abafile uyabona igama lami liyadrekeka lidonswa phansi manje. But one thing about uKehle is I'm so disciplined, hence I try comrade. Why am I disciplined? You will never hear me in any of the social media platforms maybe responding or ngeke ungibone ngisho status sami sa WhatsApp ngikhuluma ngalento. I'll only talk la njengoba silana that maybe today that's the last time. Hence I'm not going even into details, not mentioning anybody's name or whatever, but ngizothi South Africa isikhathi sokuthi sivula amehlo, sivulele ngqondo, sibheke ukuthi izinye izinto ningakuyi-entertain uma kuthiwa i-rape. Ake nilalele kuqala kakhulu ukuthi i-rape kwenzakaleni kanjani, then you start entertaining it. Eyizwa leyo nto. So hence ngisho ngithi umdlalo mningi la and igama lami lidonseka phansi. Yazi South Africa bafuna lo muntu abambona ngathi igama lakhe lilapha. You cannot never hear umlungu eshaya omunye umlungu wakubo. But abantu abamnyama, it's either ibhizinisi lakho sokulithi seliphezulu ufike lo baba bathi uSARS azolishaya. uSARS, it is a private business yomlungu eyayizolwa nabantu abamnyama izobashaya phansi. So uzobona ngoSARS azomshaya noma ubona omunye umuntu wakithi omnyama azokhuluma
ukuthi SARS i-collect tax.
Yes. Yes.
Exactly. As our citizens.
Ngiyavuma lokho. Yabona lento kuthiwa umusex leyo iqala kusukuma. Abantu bonke bayithatha kancane. Believe me. Kulawo ma-orders awu-1,000. Maybe this thing uyidayisa 500 rand. Hey, one, it's an example. 500 times 1,000. Angazi ukuthi imagine then. But decide ukuthi kusasa uyothenga iplazi. Then mawuthenga iplazi kwenza inkukhu amaqanda ukodisela wonke then awubatshela abantu you decide ukuthi iplazi lakho usebenzele imali you sell it here bese